Welcome and congratulations for choosing to dive into Omnisphere. You are about to learn and master the foundations of one of the greatest and most powerful software instruments of all time. Imagine if you had the power and knowledge to use Omnisphere to its full potential. To find, to create, to shape, to design and to control the sounds of Omnisphere. Are you ready to master the foundations of Omnisphere? To learn my best power tips and tricks? To become a power user of Omnisphere? Well, after this course you will be able to use Omnisphere more creatively, efficiently and with a huge boost in your creative and practical skills. Hello, my name is Mike and I am a composer just like you. I have composed and produced music since 1998 and I teach my knowledge and experience because I love to motivate, inspire and educate creative people like yourself. Now take action. Let's start your adventure in Omnisphere right now.